ungayithwali ibhadi ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini bazolithatha balibeke ubancishe balithenge uzolimala enhlizweni mababuya balithathe njenge vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza wemntana abantu ungafika usathana egcoka amakhabela ney'ngubo zakudala athi thula untombazane nawe ubambulayi ngisaba ukuhleka ntombazane ngingakufake emayi mina ngiphuma empumalanga ligama lami ngingusicela nkomo noma ushintsha indawo kuyafana thina sibasithi bola moya wami ungayithwali ibhadi ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini bazolithatha balibeke ubancishe balithenge uzolimala enhlizweni mababuya balithathe njenge vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basalini izintombi the girls ayisengicela bafethu nikobi basalini basondela kimi mabangibona ngihambe moya separate them boys from the men sekunyathela amaboy ngithama ni mabhada but you still don't call me gold Gitama ni mabhada but you still don't call me gold Separate them boys from the men sekunyathela amaboy ngithama ni mabhada but you still don't call me gold Gitama ni mabhada but you still don't call me gold Angiyindawo mtaka mama umzimba wami uyophelelana Angiyindawo umzimba wami uyophelelana Angiyindawo umzimba wami uyophelelana Angiyindawo mtaka mama umzimba wami uyophelelana Angiyindawo umzimba wami uyophelelana Wemakotika uyekele nto yenzayo ngicela usiphathe my love Lento yakho yokungiphotholoza njalo makangekho umntana Mina ngiseyona nensizwa ngisidlela imali yexolo mntana Uzothini mebekuthola besithola usungidonsa ngejazi mntana Yangithinta kamnandi yangininga ngophisa yavele yangikhatha nensizwa yakithi makoti uzothini bebekuthola besithola usungidonsa ngejazi mntanami xolo makoti phela wena ungumalukazane siyakwazi njalo usifiso mengekho uzofikela wina uthi asambe siyolala inyawo zami ziyongimela nezandla ziyongimela mayithuma le ndaba sekuphelile mntanami phela ngikhathalile umhlangano wakho solo kuhamba umngama ngisababona abanye nothando lwaphela wangithinta emanolini wathi kimi wekhehla upolisa maneba wemakoti kawuyeke lento yenzayo ngicela usiphathe my love lento yakho yokungiphotholoza njalo makangekho umntanami mina ngiseyona nensizwa ngisilela imali yexolo mntanami uzothini mebekuthola besithola usungidonsa ngejazi mntanami yangithinta kamnandi yanginqa ngophisi yavele yangikhatha nensizwa yakithi.
What is happening, YouTube family? Hope you guys are good. Welcome to the live stream. Hope you guys can hear me clearly. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section down below. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section down below. But I actually have to put this. I think I'm catching flu, guys. But, you know, nothing comes in the way. And, yeah, man, we pretty much trade every day, even on the weekends. We trade, we show up regardless. We trade, we show up regardless. So if you guys can hear me, please let me know in the comment section. Right. Hey guys, I'm having a bit of flu today, so please don't judge me. I'm trying to connect our TikTok community as well. As you guys do know that now we have people from TikTok coming to join us this side. So I'm just gonna be live that side as well, making sure that these people actually catch us live. Today we're actually most likely to get like a whole different audience. So you guys might probably see like a different audience. This is mainly because a lot of these people don't who trade synthetic indices don't trade the normal pairs that we trade on a daily basis. So yeah, that's most likely to be the reason. But yeah. Growth on this other side is actually crazy, I'm not gonna lie. I just stick my phone here. Just press the go live button. So we're gonna go live on all these platforms. Got it. We're about to actually turn it like that. It's like my people can actually see this. So yeah, we are currently live both on YouTube and TikTok. So to all the guys that are actually watching us from TikTok, just climb on in, come to YouTube and come trade live with us. Let me see if I can be able to actually pin my comment on TikTok so that people know exactly what we're on about. Guys, if you are watching us from TikTok, just come this side, come on the other side of YouTube and actually trade live with us. It's weekend and we are going to be trading synthetic indices. That's your Vix75, your BOOM1000, crash, step index, all of that, all the synthetic indices that you can actually think of. That's what we are live trading today. So come on YouTube and trade live with us. And I'm gonna do like this. So I've actually commented about with the handle, so you guys come this side on YouTube, or alternatively just send me a DM. I'm gonna send you a link to come join us as we trade live on YouTube. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to send you that now because I'm on the stream already. So using the same username here on TikTok, still use the same username on YouTube. So come and trade live with us on YouTube right now. Come trade live with us, guys. Completely free. Can't seem to actually put this thing right. Oh my days. This thing just keeps on trying to fall. Might actually not be live on TikTok today. Today I'm just trying to like have it properly clamped here. So yeah, hopefully that works and we can finally stream. So I do see that I do have a couple of comments already. We do have people already that are actually here and ready to trade with us on YouTube. So I'm gonna just put this right here, and I do have my comments just right about here. If one of you guys can be able to see that. But yeah, I actually do like this, if that's the case, and do like this. Then in this way, you guys can be able to see. So we have Kayvon in the chat says, Wiseman, what's happening, my brother? Hope you're good. We have well, I don't know how to. We have Danya, so that says hi. How are you? We have Kayvon says, damn, no days off. No days off for sure. Okay, Sean says, the one and only Wiseman, my brother. God bless you. I'm overexcited, and you know exactly why. I know exactly why. So we actually just got off a very crazy and hectic mentorship, private mentorship call with Sean, teaching him curl to concept. It was actually such a beautiful moment, and that was actually proper. It was a proper session. I don't want to say much. He's actually going to say it himself how he feel about the session. And then it says, Kayvon, we are on the grind, my brother, laying the foundation for the family and parents, my bro, most definitely. Isaac says, you are proper, my king, most definitely, shout out. Max Vin says, we are in, and my analysis for index 25 says we are selling. Hey, we will check it. We will confirm. Kayvon says, lol, have no complaint, my brother. Just grateful to be here. Chris Travis says, bro, I'm here. What's up? Thanks says, yes, bros, be here. Chris says, today I actually traded Bitcoin, man. It was crazy. I'm down $1,000. We'll definitely look into Bitcoin and get that money back. Sean says, pleasure, my brother. Yes, okay, cool. Kayra says, have you analyzed BOOM1000? I am going to do that. right live on stream. He does drop gems, and I'm here for it. Always where the stream lights up my day. And we have Joey in the chat says salute, bro. So yeah, so the guys that's actually watching us on TikTok, use the same username and come check us on obviously YouTube. Come trade with us live on YouTube. It's much more better that side. It's much more better that side. So with me right here, what I currently do have is a volatility 25 index, but I'm gonna start off with the 75. Right, we are gonna look into volatility 75 index, volatility 75 index, and I'm also gonna obviously just write here so that these people can know what we on about. Alphaamaale on YouTube. You guys should come the site. Come on YouTube and watch us do this thing live. We are pretty much used to it. Been doing this, do this on a daily basis. Actually, it's crazy. So, but yeah, I'm actually do like this. You guys can see that, but I'm certain you guys can. So I'm just gonna put it here and make it bold. And most important, change the color to white. And yeah, that's just about it. That is just about it. So V75, pretty much simple. We are gonna scale it down to the 1 hour time frame just to see what's going on here, just to see what's going on. And today is actually Friday. Today is actually Saturday, so we are gonna go to midnight and see if there's anything that we obviously can confirm. But before that, there's something that I need to change quickly this side. Proper stuff. It's just right about here, just for me to find the buys. But already at this point in time, there's no need for me to actually try and find the buys because I can see where the markets are headed to. It's not like it's the morning where we just want to find the buys. So I'm just gonna leave that for now because it's pretty simple. So I'm just gonna scale down to the 5-minute time frame for us to look for scalping opportunities. 5-minute time frame actually. 5-minute time frame makes a lot of sense to me right now. So respectively, we do have two setups that we are gonna attack. I just want to analyze this as simple as I possibly can. I don't want to confuse anybody. All right, I don't want to confuse anybody, so I'll just try and keep it as simple as I possibly can. So right here we do have two scenarios that could happen on volatility 75, and we are going to be acting based off that, and we are going to be trading off that. So what we do need right here, obviously looking into V75, we are going to need pretty much something that's going to be looking like this. V75 finally breaking out of the cycle, and we just need a 5-minute candle to close above, and we are going to buy it. The reason why I already need the 5-minute candle is because the first market flow that was given to us, which tend to be a rejection, was this one. So markets are already done something like this, and we are not looking forward getting another one because this right here has already happened regardless, you know, because normally this is what we would wait for. Normally this is what we would wait for. Let me get the right tool. So actually I need the path. So normally this is what we would wait for, and then the retest we do not trade, but we need the market to break above. And as soon as markets break above, we need that 5-minute candle to close bullish, and we are gonna take a buy from that bullish candle closure, and that's just how we are gonna be eating off it. You know, once we get that 5-minute candle to close above, we are gonna buy volatility 75 index, and we are gonna obviously move with it all the way to the upper part of the market as it moves. You know, we can even have like the most stretched take profit if you want to. The most stretched take profit would probably be this one right here, but that is from a swinging perspective, so that might even not happen today. So I don't even want to look into a much of a larger take profit, but I can target this previous market floor here, so I can use this one as my take profit right there. As long as I do get markets to obviously come and close above, I am going to execute off that, and I am going to take advantage of that. So this is what we are currently waiting for on Volatility 75, guys. Nothing hectic, nothing crazy. And obviously now looking into this, same applies at the bottom, but at the bottom we didn't have anything yet to actually take our trade based on. You know, we don't have something solid, so we're pretty much gonna wait for distribution here first, a retest, and then on that low that markets are going to print for us, it's going to be something that's going to look like this. Let me actually delete this for now. We do not need you for now, bro. So what we need right now is something like this, something like this. So I'm just going to take this, and it's pretty much a similar setup if Vix75 decides otherwise, that it wants to sell. This is how we are actually going to attack it based off, you know. But for now, what is more solid and what is much more promising, it is the what? It is the buy on Volatility 75 index. Make sure to change the color to white over here. But yeah, what is actually promising right now, it is the buy, but we are not going to be buying off a retest because we do not trade retest. Oh yeah, so we are gonna, you know, be waiting here. Sean says, good evening to all the new members. People would advise joining the Kyoto mentorship. Something crazy about the world. I'm humbled, my people, and overwhelmed with joy. Yeah, most definitely. That was one of a proper session. Ribona says, good evening, fam. Hope you're good, Ribona. Hope you're good and hope you're ready to trade synthetic indices with us today. Sean says, everything is clear to me. Just imagine one session and the puzzle is actually connected and joined and clear to me. All that I can say to you is that you won't make a mistake by taking Wiseman as your mentor. Trust me. Nah, bro, most definitely people have to tap into that QLT and make trading great again and make trading as simple as it can possibly get. Because trading doesn't have to be complicated, fam. It really doesn't have to be complicated. So, but yeah, this is what we are waiting for on Volatility 75 index. We can probably also go look into other pairs. That's your step index, and just to find out what's going on there. And if we are waiting, we know what exactly are we waiting for. And yeah, but unfortunately, Trading View for Deriv doesn't have trading alerts yet. That's actually crazy, bro. That is crazy. But yeah, we're gonna work with that. We're just gonna continuously come to check up what's going on now. And we're just gonna be based on that. Check what is TikTok saying. People on TikTok, just come this side. Just come on YouTube. Someone says, why are we not revisiting the charts Monday? Mainly because markets don't close this side. We're trading synthetic indices right now. So synthetic indices don't close. There's no holiday, nothing. Just us trading over and over again. There's no midnights, nothing, you know? So yeah, tap in and join the live streams on YouTube. Watch the full thing on YouTube live and get to see me as I wait for my confirmation, as I analyze, as I trade and all of that. Make sure you come this side. You don't have to wait, bro. Like, literally, you do not have to wait. We have Tendai says, evening everybody. Hope you guys are doing good. We are good, brother. Welcome to the live stream. Sean says it has, my brother, when you link your deriv account on TradingView. Yeah, I do see that feature, but I just don't like it. I just don't like that feature, bro. Old Kid on TikTok says, what can I trade on weekends? I'm using Just Markets. Bro, send me a WhatsApp text, bro, or send me a DM. I'm gonna put you on a broker that trades synthetic indices, and you can trade over the weekend. You can trade on holidays. There's no day off. Just trade synthetic indices, bro. It doesn't close the side, and it's safe. It's not even affected by fundamental news. So if you know your story technically, you can trade these, and you can make a lot from these. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie to you. So pull up. BH Andre on TikTok says, bro, long time, how's it? I'm good, my brother. You sound like you know me. You sound like you know me, brother. When you say long time, you probably know me from somewhere. If someone on TikTok says, is deriv better? Just asking because I have been having problems with XM. Deriv is perfect. You can trade synthetic indices well with deriv, and you can also trade indices. You can even trade currencies as well. So one of the best. And from actually the synthetic indices perspective, they are actually standing alone, you know. They are on their own league. All the other guys that are coming now with synthetic indices, they literally just new. Deriv is the one that actually started with the whole thing. When it actually started, as Deriv, back in the days. K Radebe says, I'm seeing buys on BOOM1000 index. We are gonna get into it. I just wanted us to leave here only after we have confirmed this trade, so we can place the trade and move on and look into another setup. That could be your Bitcoin, could be anything, eh? Ribone says, do you have a specific time to trade synthetics? Like how we trade German 30 during London and New York? No. There's no sessions over here. There's no London session over here. There's no New York session over here. Strictly synthetic indices. So you can literally just open your chart anytime and just trade. K Radebe says, please, after BOOM1000 index. I'll definitely look into BOOM1000 index, because you are pretty much that one person that has been inquiring about something different. I don't have any other inquiry, so we can actually get into it. So it looks like we finally get that confirmation candle right here on volatility 75, and once we get that confirmation in the next couple of seconds, we are going to be buying volatility 75, and we are going to be moving with it as it moves all the way to the upper part of the markets. Then once we place the trade here, we can obviously go and look at another trade or another setup, another pair. But this right here is volatility 75 index. So I'm gonna watermark it for the people that are watching from TikTok and they can see the whole what is it that we are actually analyzing. As you can see now, it is finally here. The bonus is, I thought you were on holiday. I was shocked when I saw the alert that you're live. I'm not. And even if I was, I would be streaming. Even if I was, I would definitely be streaming. No days off this side. No days off, guys. And remember, for as long as the candle doesn't close above, we do not participate on the trade. We need the candle on the 5-minute time frame to actually close above, and we are going to eat off that all the way to the upper part of the market, respectfully. Someone says, chat, the market's not closed today. Guys, where in the world are you from? We trade synthetic indices over the weekend. Synthetic indices markets don't close, guys. There's no fundamental news on synthetic indices. There's no weekend. There's no holiday. Bro, keep up with the times. And by the way, Deriv has been here for the past probably 10 years now. So I am surprised people don't know Deriv. People don't know that you can trade synthetic indices over the weekend. Come on now, bro. Just send me a DM, bro. Let me give you a link to the broker. You need something that trades over the weekend. Guys, you guys, even now there's a broker that allows you to trade gold over the weekend. What do you guys mean? Guys, come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Please keep up with the times, eh? Keep up with the times. That's why I need all these people from TikTok to actually come this side, to come on YouTube. You know? You guys should come this side on YouTube. And, you know, come grab a thing or two. Let us know which broker is that. Just send me a DM. I'll send you the link quick, and I'll send you the account type that you need for this specific broker and for these specific pairs that we're actually trading right now. I see Sbu CMF in the chat says day 2 still on time. That's actually beautiful. That's actually beautiful, my bro. Just stick around and let's see what we can do together today. Radebe says, is your strategy on YouTube to land? No, that's actually private. You can send me a WhatsApp text and I can put you on. So this is how I'm actually planning to structure my SL and TP. I'm taking the trade on, I'm going to take the trade on volatility 75 index, and I would like to stretch my stop loss to be just right below here, which means I'm going to have to double up here just to have a 1:2 risk to reward ratio on this right here. So cool, this is what it's going to be looking like for me. And pretty much, yeah, taking the trade on V75, and let's ride with it all the way to the upper part of the market. Is it for free? It's definitely not. Quality Concepts is not for free, my brother. It's definitely not. Volatility 75 index is what we are currently trading. Actually, let me check if I can be able to tamper with the watermark, because I'm trying to, let's make it thicker. See, yeah, that's even better, because now people can see when they get into the stream that, oh cool, this is what we are trading. So now we are gonna move to another pair. We already have the trade confirmation for V75. Now I'm gonna look into BOOM1000 index. There's someone that asked for BOOM1000 index. BOOM1000 index, BOOM1000 index. Let's see what BOOM1000 index has for us. For those who don't know, boom and crash, basically boom and there's what we call boom and crash on synthetic indices, and with boom it normally spikes to the upper part of the market. On a normal day it just moves down. It's just a pair that goes down, and it just gets opposed by the spikes that it normally gets right here. So I do not like analyzing it on a smaller time frame, mainly because, you know, I'm most likely not to get what I'm looking for. So I would go on a bit of a practical time frame. That is your, you know, 1 hour time frame, or even maybe the 15-minute time frame, because it doesn't look as sketchy as it looks on the 5-minute time frame. But yeah, it is just not that good. So for us to actually take a sell trade, so there's 2 models. I'm going to use the same 2 models as well, the simplest models that you can ever use to analyze. We do have this market low here, and we do have this market high, which is right about here. So what I am gonna wait for is just necessary confirmations. I do know for a fact that if we take out this previous high, then that is a clear indicator that now we are now on bias territory. That means that obviously we can um, now start looking towards creating a new high and a new high and a new high and so forth. But we are gonna need a 5-minute candle. As we can use the 15-minute candle here as per usual to actually close above that area, and then we're just going to take the buy and move with the markets all the way to the upper part of the market. The reason why I am comfortable with taking the buy is because we already did have a market low, just a market high just right about here that was taken out. So this second one, we're just waiting for a build up and a candlestick closure, and I'm going to buy a BOOM1000 and move with it all the way to the upper part of the market. Alternatively, this is what I would be looking for. Markets to distribute lower, being able to break free or break out of this current low that we obviously do have in the markets right now. And once we do that, that means we are going to be able to, let me just do like this, because once we do that, that means we are able to conquer a few market levels. The first one would be this low, and then we means we are going to be able to conquer this second low, and we are going to be able to conquer this third low. So once we do that, we are just going to wait for something similar with what is currently happening at the top, and that something similar would definitely be something that's going to look like where is a path that's going to look like this distribution, a retest that of which we're not going to trade, and us knowing that we are now being able to move out comfortably from this low. That means we would have to create a new low, and once we create that new low, that means we have finally detached from this one. Then 15-minute candle closure below the new freshly printed low is an indicator for us to obviously take a sell trade and targets a much more newer low to take out, of which is not going to be just a walk in the park. Markets can do whatever they want. They can either respect or break. So these are the two scenarios that we do have on BOOM1000 index. And then because this might probably take a few minutes, hours to confirm, especially on the buy side of things, which if it happens, we are obviously going to execute, and we are going to take the buy, and we are going to move with it as it is moving to the upper part of the market. Basically, what we do here, we do not stress ourselves. We just, do the first thing first. We take care of the smaller things, and we let the bigger things take care of themselves. So we don't get too worried. That's how we simplify things over here. Another pair that is a pair that people love looking into, that would be your step index, right? Step index 100, specifically that one. Step index 100. Step index 100. I also do obviously prefer step index. It respects markets a lot, and it is just that pair, man. You just can't go wrong with step index, right? So yeah, let me check here on TikTok if I do have comments. We have Zach says hello. How are you? How are you, Zach? Come join us this side on YouTube and actually get to watch the stream live, because we are live on YouTube, as you can see this right here. We are live. We're just showing you guys that we are actually live on YouTube, so you can come and obviously stop by on YouTube. That is where it is actually at. That is where it is actually at. Cool. So step index, like I said, you can barely go wrong with step index. By the looks of things, from the current high that we do have, there is market exhaustion. Markets are definitely showing us signs that they are failing to further push to the upper part of the market. So meaning that this right here is an indicator that if you do want to sell this, if you want to buy this, just wait a little bit and get necessary and proper confirmations that you can rely on. Don't just be that type of a guy that just wants to trade, because there's no need us looking to buy step index right now whilst we do obviously have a high to conquer, of which is this one right here, because that is a very valid thing. How are we looking into buying opportunities while we do have a high that we failed to move, and close above? So right now, since I do see that obviously there is a previous market low that we are seeing right here, we are going to highlight it. It is a previous market low. It is a previous market low, and low key we have conquered it right here. But the reason why I am fully against trading retest is this. You see, now looking into this, you can literally tell yourself that a lot of people that entered here probably put their stop loss above here, and the stop loss now is actually taken out. So that is actually not a good thing. So what we are going to wait for, simple, market printed a new low, fresh new low. That is what we are going to be reacting from. We get a candle to close below, then good. That's what we want. We are going to take the sell, and we are going to target this market low pretty much somewhere around here, just right about here. That is what we are going to target. This is what makes a lot of sense for me on step index right now, since we are obviously failing to push above and we are showing signs of exhaustion at the top. I'm going to take advantage of that, and obviously if I look clearly, or if I look closely, there is an advanced pattern. That is the head and shoulders, head and shoulder like structure pattern. This structure, it doesn't have to be on point like that, but if it is a head and shoulder like structure, it really holds a lot when it comes to synthetic indices. These markets respect more of chart patterns, just simple and straightforward price action, as long as you obviously do know your story, because some other people do have the basics of it, but the implementation sometimes is the problem side of it. But yeah, we do have like an advanced pattern right here, and if you can pay attention to my friends, the ones who use trend lines, the rule to a head and shoulder like structure is simple. If you're gonna have your trend lines like this is for the guys that use trend lines. I'm giving you like something that you can use to confirm this advanced pattern. You have to make sure that your left shoulder like structure and your head are within a trading channel, of which is this trading channel, and that your right shoulder like structure has to be outside of the trading channel for you to confirm if that is most likely to be a valid head and shoulder like structure or a valid advanced pattern. That is what you can use your trend lines for, not to use them to get a signal. Not you using them to get a signal, no. But you use the advanced pattern just to obviously see changes that are about to happen in the market. And once you get your confirmation, you just become more confident with the decision that you've taken, because you have more confirmations. Decent says, good evening guys, I'm kinda late. You are actually kinda early, because there's pretty much nothing much that we have done so far. It's just us awaiting a few confirmations on a few pairs and stuff like that. So even here on step index, I'm gonna put an indicator just right here to say that cool, this is what we are looking at, and that is gonna be our target, and so forth and so forth. I'm just gonna put it here so it stays ready. This is your step index. We also have what else? Oh, and I also do have a scanner for Deriv that assists with the entries. But well, for me, it's not really that useful, because anything I want, I can find it myself in the market. Anything I want, I can find myself in the market. should block this person. You guys gonna come here and spam people and you're just trying to. Cool. Actually, remove this person off the comments on the side of TikTok. So yeah, we have about 3 of these things that we are waiting for, and for my Bitcoin traders, we're actually gonna look into that. Decent says, I come with bad news though. My payout got rejected, but I will bounce back. The fault was on my side. And which prop firm was that? And what was the reason, as they say? So you can help other traders not to make the same mistake that you did. Because I do believe that if you see within your mistakes, that means you can share it in the chat, and other people can obviously avoid that mistake in the future. Which firm and what was the reason for the payouts to actually get rejected? I actually remove the phone and bring it closer here so I can read the comments. Someone said, I also see sales on step index too. I chopped $100 so far scalping. Now that's proper. That's one thing that I love about trading synthetic indices, because you can always get these movements and you can always, capitalize from them. It's actually a good thing. So yeah, if you are watching on TikTok, we are live on YouTube. As you can see, this is the live chat on YouTube. Using the same username, you just come and join us on YouTube, and this is what you are going to be seeing. You are going to be seeing a layout that's going to look like this on the side of your phone, just like this. So yeah, do tap in on YouTube. Do tap in on YouTube. Okay, so Decent says it was Equity Edge. Apparently had created an account with a different email, so I got flagged for multiple accounts. That's crazy though. For a payout to get rejected, that's crazy. That's why we always, recommend different firms, because we gotta make sure that people get the best out of it. People really gotta get the best out of it. We are waiting on this setup on step index 100. There's the head and shoulders on the 15-minute time frame. I just entered that. Literally what I was explaining, that there is an advanced pattern, head and shoulder like structure, but that is not enough for me to actually take a trade. That's not valid enough for me. The one says, Mr. Wiseman, when you started trading prop firms, have you ever failed in evaluation? I did. I did actually. I even lost count when I actually started. It was even worse. It was even worse. It was even worse. But yeah. Tonight I might actually be in this stream longer than expected. Might actually stream until midnight or 11 at most. So yeah, it's just one of those days. I actually up the music for you guys so that you don't get bored as we are waiting for this stuff to actually mature.
Manje spachi samsinda manenglele aweba pem imalingeni akuvele kubuyi taxi lam ngilithwalisa ingane awezinsizwa lo muntu uyatripa bathi ngendamba bakhumbuza ushakazu namhlanje kusaphela ingwabela yaphela ingwabela swaka nge-omega yaphela ingwabela. Nsati wami wo, nsati wami, nsati wami wo, nsati wami, nsati wami wo, nsati wami, nsati wami wo, nsati wami. Senirilela nsati wamina. Senirilela bangwana bamina, senirilela nsati wamina, nisiyeni batsongwana mino. Senirilela nsati wamina, senirilela bangwana bamina, senirilela nsati wamina, nisiyeni batsongwana mino. Oh, ngabe yini lento lebanga ukuthi sibulalane sikhothana ake ningitsheleni ngiyanibuta bo ingabe lokhu kulwana kubangwa yindlala bese abantwana uma ngikhumbula skipha tibati tekutshela kuthi ngikhulele zola nami ngikhumbula umbala amajita ahlekisa ngentombe yayijola nami ngene ngaphuma emajele bangilahlisa ngisengiyathi sola nami Thixo somandla ngiphushisa inqola ya ningangiboni nge-black suit angisiyo umlungu nami story sami sibhlungu nasitulu ngihluphekile batukulu ubuhlungu khanda nani nemabhuku kakhulu ngoba kuvukela kamlungu kubuhlungu khanda nani nemabhuku kakhulu they'll shoot you ukuthi ingane iyabizwa ngesipoko mathambo ngabona ngakhula ngimnyama abantwana babantu masidlala bajoka utata ubembethe umama kushintshile abasasosela inyama akasabuye ekhaya njalo uyakhala umama waze wangilahla umhlaba sengena amaphoyisa ama-protection order ngimbona ngeplan ubaba
Decent says, I did not expect to hear my language on stream. Now you're gonna hear it more often, brother. You're gonna hear it more often.
Chakadam ngvanek balabat bathi mchaka chaka unice njenge chakalak nginamasala ngiacha lesanik baba baba laba bayangibanga ngimnanzi hlezi ninkalakala angifuni fame angifuni stress angivisiseki yefutheka I'm putting cast ngibhuka amabhinya sathenga kaduri next suka amaphepha sarapper ngibhuka stage sinuke ngendlela success isayide reverse bengakhulumeka besingenta basala ngedash eksena bhuka lana mfana wami le impumalanga liqushwalana langa lami excess liphula nabo jakadazi ngiphume egcwala istrati nabo umzala ngiphethe tshwala bami eksengwe groka le designer yakho lokhu mqoka ukuthi ingondo kumele ibade ekhale kumele ngibale imali kwatbani ngiphansela ifame yami ehleva sinengisane bubaru lokuphezana hey senginedladla ngisafanani angisahambi netsaitsayi la ngithola khona ngihlezi ngibala imali ngiphethe squad sami C5 isgcwala iquantum outcome nami ngilihasela check outcome tough nam bafana bafuna kususa iraw raw nami ngicela tama ngivane kubalabat bathi black ukhula mnanzi njengasifiso ncwa yonke internet igcwele amapiano mina lapho ngivulela ikwala kudala yuva nchaka time abelbere mina ngiyathi ngena grand time makuzodliwa ikaizer chiefs ile abere bell nchiza la iregister kusemantwana sikho lapho sithane kutheni mangifuna ngani body bag ngoba i-body bag isane kufika ngamaplastic asetekithana utshele ukuthi sneaker kanti trap cabanga i-body bag ima ingafika nabo kabza bongatshela ukuthi solo mapiano kanti trap khona batholakale nekhorona eCanada bafike kanjani sale senekela kunini nkokota ngicine ngakeva kule body bag isiphume kanjani khona laba ngithi ngishaya ngoya ngithathe flight bathi umngamo ushaya iphathi ngangalalishi ngiphuma phosa billing lati ukuthi lekushisa gogo lomtsala ngabe sekaqala scientist nami ngilihasela check it outcome bafana bafuna ukususa iraw magama lamaningi ngiwakhramile cabanga ukuthi before ngilala itola ingqondo yami update
Let's check on these comments on YouTube. Evening, bro. Please assist. Can I find a prop firm where I'll be able to trade for the 2075 and step index? No, you can't find that unless Deriv decides to do that. Alright. Scandal says, which broker is this? I tried to look up step index 100 on Deriv. I couldn't find it. Nah, it is Deriv. It is Deriv, and step index 100 is on Deriv, right? So yeah, just look properly, you'll find it. And so the guys that are actually watching us from TikTok, we are currently live on YouTube right now using the same username, and we are trading. We are looking to find proper setups, and this is currently the step index 100 chart. We are waiting for confirmation. So if you are a trader and you spend your weekends not knowing what to do, this is the right time, because you can now trade over the weekend. You can trade synthetic indices, and there's pretty much a lot of them. There's actually a lot of them that you can obviously trade. So yeah, this right here is one of them. Let's listen to music and wait for that confirmation. Let's wait for that confirmation. Scandal says it's only step index. Sorry, bro, I found it. Nah, that's dope. I'm glad you found it. Now let's get that confirmation and let's trade step index together. This thing of trading only from Monday to Friday and spend your weekends miserable has to come to an end, because you can trade, literally trade synthetic indices over the weekend. You can trade them even midnight. These markets don't close, guys. They do not.
Ungayithwali party ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini bazolithatha balibeke ubancishe balithenge uzolimala enhlizweni mababuya balithathe njenge vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza wemntana abantu ungafika usathana egcoka amakhabela ney'ngubo zakudala athi thula untombazane nawe ubambulayi ngisaba ukuhleka ntombazane ngingakufake emayi mina ngiphume empumalanga ligama lami ngingusicelo nkomo noma ushintshe indawo kuyafana thina siba-city boss bola moya wami ungayithwali party ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini bazolithatha balibeke ubancishe balithenge uzolimala enhlizweni mababuya balithathe njenge vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini babafethu ningakhohlwa pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nethipho nikobi basalini. Izintombi the girls ayisengicela bafethu. Nikobi basalini basondela kimi mabangibona ngihambe mall. Separate them boys from the men, sekunyathela amabhola ngithama ni mabhada but you still don't call me gold. Kitamani mapara but you still don't call me gold. Kitamani mapara but you still don't call me gold. Umzimba wami uyophelelana. Angiyindawo, angiyindawo. Umzimba wami uyophelelana. Angiyindawo, angiyindawo. Umzimba wami uyophelelana. Angiyindawo, mtaka mama. Umzimba wami uyophelelana. Angiyindawo, angiyindawo. Umzimba wami uyophelelana.
Step index has confirmed. Step index has confirmed, so I am on that trade on step index right now. Pretty much confirmed. Step index right about there. So let's see how far and how long it will actually take it to actually go, whether for the first targets or the overall target right at the bottom. Any inquiries, as long as it is trading related, you send me a WhatsApp text. The number is here on the screen. Whether you want to be part of our free live streams on YouTube on a daily basis, you send me a WhatsApp text to this number on the screen right here, and I'll make sure that every time we go live on YouTube, I send you the link personally so you don't get to miss out on any live stream that we conduct. And by the way, we stream every day, guys. When I say every day, I mean every day. There's no time off. You know, during the week, we do have a program called the 9 to 5. So it is for traders. It's 9 to 5 for traders. So I start streaming from 9 in the morning until 5 in the afternoon. That program is called 9 to 5. Every Monday to Friday, we trade Forex, we trade indices, we trade your gold, NASDAQ, all that you can think of. So that's why you definitely want to be part of the 9 to 5 stream. 9 to 5 stream, you send me a WhatsApp text to this number. You become part of our live streams every day on YouTube, completely free. We are live on stream from 9 in the morning, actually from 8:30 until 5 p.m. Strictly eating the charts and getting possible confirmations and possible trades over and over again. That's just how we do it. So make sure that you send me a WhatsApp text. That's why I'm actually here on this number, so that you can see. You can take a screenshot, you can do whatever you want to do, but make sure that you hit me up on WhatsApp. When we go live, I'll send you the link and you come trade with us live, completely free. We've been doing this. I mean, if you can check the YouTube channel, you will see that we stream every day. We literally stream every day, completely free. So the era of you trying to go out and buying signals, it's completely optional at this point in time. If we have people that trade live, because we document everything and it is as transparent as it gets, whether it's a loss, whether it's a take profit, we don't filter out anything. We make sure that we show everything. What matters is how we end the week and how we end the month. Normally we end our weeks on a positive net. We end our months on a positive net. So that is all that matters to us at this point in time, not all the other stuff. So yeah, that's just how we do it. So you tap in. So now we are on the trade. Jam some music. I'm probably when they're off on TikTok, going back to YouTube. So if you want to get the full experience.
Yati gimingale, how are you? Yati sorabo maluma basi tandestu. Yati gimingale, how are you? Yati mshana banda batala ba funistu. Yati gimingale, how are you? kimi ngane how are you ngathi mshana abantu abadala bafuna isilu Misholo gamalu ingane zanamuhla zikhuluma isilu Laphuka coconut Misholo gamalu ingane sezikhuluma isilu Peli Buddha never went to school Mangathi into Jojo koko bangafuna umkhulu Kahle ngamatshe manje uqala ungithu Ngoba uzohlekisa ngami mshana ngcono ngithu Ayeza madoda umama ubaleki ubalekisi Ayeza madoda umama ubaleki ubaba kamfuni Bantwana sebakhuluma isilu Misholo gamalu ingane zanamuhla zikhuluma isilu Laphuka coconut Misholo gamalu ingane sezikhuluma isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you ngathi sorabo maluma basithanda isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you ngathi mshana abantu abadala bafuna isilu Misholo gamalu ingane zanamuhla zikhuluma isilu Laphuka coconut Misholo gamalu ingane sezikhuluma isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you Yathi sorabo maluma basithanda isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you Yathi mshana abantu abadala bafuna isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you Yathi sorabo maluma basithanda isilu Yathi kimi ngane how are you Yathi mshana abantu abadala bafuna isilu Gonna long tinta con tombazan musugum tinta lang tamakon Gonna long tinta con tombazan musugum tinta lang tamakon Gonna long tinta con tombazan musugum tinta lang tamakon Kachuleng kinganam tombazan namsanje ulalelang lalakon Kotonche Gonna long tinta con tombazan musugum tinta lang tamakon Kibona kachuleng kinganam tombazan namsanje ulalelang lalakon Kotonche Uchwala beyakuhlula da kanti wena wakhula njani Usuphapha zula da kanti wena wakhula njani Uchwala beyakuhlula da kanti wena wakhula njani Usuphapha zula da kanti wena wakhula njani Sama teman-teman Uchwala beyakuhlula da kanti wena wakhula njani Usuphapha zula da kanti wena wakhula njani Uchwala beyakuhlula da kanti wena wakhula njani Usuphapha zula da kanti wena wakhula njani Kanti utshwala buyakuhlula da uloku uyasifaka ngiyakususa da kanti wena wakhula njani Khona la ngithinta khona ntombazane usuku ngithinta la ngithama khona Yathi unenkinga nami ntombazane namhlanje ulalela ngilala khona kodwa nje Khona la ngithinta khona ntombazane usuku ngithinta la ngithama khona Ngibona yathi unenkinga nami ntombazane namhlanje ulalela ngilala khona kodwa nje
Black eye and the fur.
Yeah, yeah. Ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje pita Kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi Nginomfazi mina uzosiqabanisa ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Uqolo makhwapheni usakhumbula ngithi Savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Kapekela mabheba ngenu 17 Sofana njalo noma ngisem17 So jambiseli made what the hell is this Mina ngidlala ama games for Pifinda please Inento yenza asange savumelana nga Ayibo makhwapheni ungenza Ngatshela umadlamini ukuthi wena ungumngani makhwapheni ungenza Why you went kanje Anibalansi banu bakufana nawe Ngikhuzile before and you did it again Izingane zingabona zizotshela umede Inento yenza asange savumelana nga Ayibo makhwapheni ungenza Ngatshela umadlamini ukuthi wena ungumngani makhwapheni ungenza Now what else do you need cause I give you love And I give you money Manje bobi skirikiri sakho ngizokunaka girl Ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi Savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Nginomfazi mina uzosiqabanisa ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Uqolo makhwapheni usakhumbula ngithi Savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Manje usufona ungivusa ngilele Mabheba ngithi uyazi ngitshola ngeplay Usufuna umadlamina ngistoka ngisele Uhluleka ukuzibamba ziphatha pretend Why you went kanje Anibalansi banu bakufana nawe Ngikhuzile before and you did it again Izingane zingabona zizotshela umede Ungayenzi kanje makele ngiyakuthanda na uyakhe Yawuna nhlonipho sophula phakami kawunokuyangena Manje usufona ungivusa ngilele Mabheba ngithi uyazi ngitshola ngeplay Usufuna umadlamina ngistoka ngisele Uhluleka ukuzibamba ziphatha pretend Now what else do you need cause I give you love And I give you money Manje bobi skirikiri sakho ngizokunaka girl Ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi Savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Nginomfazi mina uzosiqabanisa ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Uqolo makhwapheni usakhumbula ngithi Savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi Nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi fihla Kazibambe fundu zibamba ntombi
Kunzima ukubona umuntu othwele because umuntu othwele uyafana nomfundisi okhohlisayo esontweni athi ningayisebenzisa imithi abe ahamba gogo bathini abe ahamba khihlela inkulu yabona masikhuluma ngama-boys enkulu sikhuluma ngabantu abaphethe ubhojaboja sikhuluma senendalo amaqumbi aquleke njenge-rice yabona
Bana basikole babona imihlolo babona isipoko ngakaye loya Bembuza wathakoti langalingashona sibona into engabonwa Engithi thutha mthakathi Sizokushisa mthakathi Engithi thutha mthakathi Tata koko kwakho Sizokushisa mthakathi
The witch is after my soul, just don't let me get in my zone. I got dreams, you know I got goals, and I'm only playing if we're talking roles. I won't let you shoot my dreams down. You can feel that shit in this sound. We won't tolerate this shit in this town. Get my crown haters just as it sounds. I am being wonderful for no human. So it ain't nothing like what you assuming. Whether supernatural, superhuman, or super stupid motherfucker, you know I'll be doing. Keep your hands to yourself and don't ever think on my wealth. I can have you hating myself and your heart supporting my wealth. Who let the wedge out? Rest guy, let me reach out. He been lurking in evil, keep your hands on the swivel. He be murking, doing shit that's pretty much legal. Don't let a rat smith get your ass out. Never met a motherfucker that can make your ass out. I'm him, I'ma tell your ass now, I'll win. You'll never succeed, you gon' pay for your sins. I dare you to cross my path, you gon' feel my wrath. You can harm my flash, that's cool. But you gonna rip the soul of a good man down. Get a good man down, they gon' get right up. I'ma get right up, I'ma take your ass down, I'ma let it slut up. Don't get a young nigga tried up. I'ma take your ass down, I'ma take a flight up. Cop me new when I live your ass straight up. Like
I'll get you too tired.
Okay, I'm in this. Bizonda banabo fagas. I know they don't want it, but they kayaks or kagas. I need myself a bag. I can hold 10 million cash. You can fuck with my pet, but you gon' feel the rest. I need myself a Bentley. I need my face on telly. I need me a yellow ready. Trust me, I was tryna get it. I really had no nothing. I'm from deep inside the country. I need bright lights on my wrist. I'm tryna shine bright in this bitch. And I ain't worried about no bitch. That's why I look up and I ask for cheap. All my life I've been tryna beat my peace. Now the money is the only thing I for keeps. Only my meaning I show me, yeah. Cause next year we'll be poppy.
Bana basikole baboni mitolo baboni sipoko ngakae aloya. Bembuza watakoti langalinga shona sponi tenga bono. Engiti tu tamtagati yeah. Sizogushi samtagati yeah. I'll get you too tired. Tata go wako. Sizogushi samtagati yeah. Yamemeza inkunzi emnyama sogozi ungaqhaza zonke intombi. Yimi njalo wathi ngunomqanga nomqinga mgomqhoze eqonsa amazinya aqonga. Ngicoma ngaqamalaza ngiphambanisa umlenze sokuhlanipha emadodeni. Ngavula, wangena, ngavala, ngabe ngasengaliphosa igwinye emafutheni. Makufika mina kuba ncane unyawo ensizweni. Ashela dameti man. Aweba pem imali ngeni akuvele kubuya itaxi lam ngilithwalisa ingane awezinsiza lo muntu uyadripa bathi ngendongeni bakhumbuza ushakazu namhlanje kuzophela ingwabela yaphela ingwabela sonke nge-omega yaphela ingwabela igqoka itaxi lamadayisi ngingwabela yaphela ingwabela nikhumbuza kudala lakuna kudlalela igqoka itaxi lamadayisi ngingwabela.
Obheka isosi yatripa ngegitara
bayakhala ngale ndwangu
ingane yithi abafana bengwabela
ingabe swenga ngamajayi isigodi sisiphethe lempemi ke mamela intombi zigcwalisa ibhasi we take it back kuzaphila amalegend ngisho abopenda fast take a look ngithi kavala amajazz ngapha nangapha ama-guys
Aweba pem imali ngeni akuvele kubuya itaxi lam ngilithwalisa ingane awezinsiza lo muntu uyadripa bathi ngendongeni bakhumbuza ushakazu namhlanje kuzophela ingwabela yaphela ingwabela sonke nge-omega yaphela ingwabela igqoka itaxi lamadayisi ngingwabela.
Earlier on, we were actually also looking into Vix75 index, so I'm just gonna obviously tap into that as well, so that you see. Ash Blair says, what concepts do you use to trade? I use QLT concepts, quantum leap trading. So to see more of that, you can just obviously tap into my YouTube channel. As we speak right now, I am on stream live on YouTube, streaming these trades, and that's what we do on a daily basis. We stream our trades on a daily basis, every day, weekend, holiday, you name it. We are there. We are live. You know, that's always the case. That's just how always it is. So right now, we also have this pair right here. This is for Vix75 index. Pretty much what I am waiting for right now is a 15-minute candle to close above this level that I do have for myself right here, and I wanted to close bullish as soon as it closes above this level. Then I'm also gonna take just need like a full body candle to close above, because previously what I have noticed is that markets closed in it was just like a fake out or a wick, and then markets came back again. So right now I'm pretty much waiting for the candle on the 15-minute time frame closure above, and we are gonna take a buy on Vix75 index as well, respectively, looking at the stop loss and take profit figures. SL, this is what we are looking at, and the take profit is gonna be right there at the top, just right about here. So at this point in time, it's all confirmations that we are waiting for, and once we get that, we are obviously gonna take the buy on volatility 75 index. But yeah, pretty much there's nothing much hectic here, nothing tricky. But to be honest with you, the thing is, from TikTok you're not gonna get the full picture, but just join us on YouTube if you can, and you are not gonna regret it. We do this on a daily basis. If it's your first time on my live stream on TikTok or on YouTube, just know that we do have a program called the 9 to 5. So from Monday to Friday, I stream live from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day, completely free. So you get to see what I do, how I do it, and how I control my emotions throughout the process, because I feel like that's one thing that's actually missing in the trading industry. A lot of people do have the strategies, a lot of people can analyze, yes, we've seen that, but a lot of people are still struggling with their mind. A lot of people are still struggling with a few things. That's your discipline, that's your patience. So the streams are going to teach you a lot of those things. They're going to teach you discipline. The streams are going to teach you a lot of patience, because there we wait for a trade. That's one thing about us. Me and the people that's already trading with me live on streams, we wait for confirmations. We can wait. We do not mind waiting over an hour to get confirmation, because we know that it's going to be worth it. You know, and we're trying not to get in every trade. The only trades that we take are the trades that are within the trading strategy, and we do not want losses that could easily be avoided. So that's what we do. That's what we do. That is what we do. You guys should tap onto that YouTube. Trust me, you are gonna enjoy it, especially the 9 to 5, because the 9 to 5 program starts on Monday till Friday, and it's completely free as well. You just have to be on the channel. You just have to subscribe to the channel. You know, subscribing is more like following. To those who don't know, you don't pay anything. It's literally completely free. Just click the subscribe button. You do turn on notifications. Alternatively, you have my number. You send me a WhatsApp text, and then on WhatsApp, every time I go live, I send a link directly to you. So this is just how we do it. It's just how we do it. We just show up daily. For the community of traders, we are gonna show up. We are gonna show up. Someone asked on TikTok, what time do the synthetic index market close? It doesn't close, bro. It's 24/7. The synthetic index markets, they do not close, and they are not affected by fundamental news. They just move all the time. That's the only thing they do. They move. They move, brother. It's a weekend, it's a holiday, whatever it is. Not this side. Synthetic indices, they always move. They are gonna move. That's one thing about them. Not affected by any other thing. And for those who just joined the stream, just for the sake of you guys not getting confused, I'm gonna move this to the other side. What we are waiting for, we are waiting for a 15-minute candle to close above here, and we are gonna buy as per analysis. So but V75 has been pretty much moving around the same areas, so we are just gonna be so patient, and we are gonna wait until we get what we want. So yeah. And do not forget, if you just joined the stream, we currently do have a trade. It hasn't moved that much. I believe it is still at entry. It is the step index 100 index that we are on a trade on right now. We literally just got confirmation on the step index 100. So this is still like a trade that you can obviously mingle with. You can still get onto this trade. It hasn't matured as much, pretty much this that we do see here. So this is something you can obviously take advantage of. Step index 100 index. Yeah, step index 100. Sorry, that's the right way for me to actually say it. This right here. And guys, if you still trading on a broker that doesn't allow you to trade over the weekend, my inbox is always open. For my guys on TikTok, just send me a DM inquiring about this broker that can allow you to trade over the weekends, and I'm gonna send you the link. And you're gonna make sure that as a trader, you find something to occupy yourself with over the weekend, instead of being at the wrong places at the wrong time. Someone said he's live now on YouTube, guys. Yes, that's true. That's why you guys should come this side and see what we do this side. But nonetheless, I'm gonna end the stream for TikTok, and you guys can come tap in on the other side and watch us fully on the other side. Again, like I said, my friends, my number is here for anything that's actually any inquiry trading related. I'm gonna be able to help you. And if you want a platform that can allow you to trade over the weekend as well, this is the number. Just send me a WhatsApp text. We are on volatility 100 index. Do not forget. Do not forget.
Came a long way from the old days. Villa put the Cassie on the map, nigga, always. I've been mind, I got a lot of situations going on. What you say, what you putting on the next game? When a body back, I make sure your whole body go to X-ray. You can never say a word in a snake space. Rappers brag when that neck has a fake chain. I can maintain. Bazolitat, balibeg, ubangish, baliteng, uzoliman, enhlizwen, mababuya balithathe njenge, vali nkomo mabebez, vali nkomo mabebez, vali nkomo mabebez, vali nkomo mabebez. Engithi sorry man, yellow phone, ngicela inamba telephone, phume Mpumalanga ligama lami ngingusicela ngikho, ngithinte lapho ngifila khona, khombe lapho uhlala khona, sasa makuthi kuyasangivuka nawe lapho ngilele khona, ngivele nginamathele emtimbeni wakho njengesilicone, noma ushintshe indawo kuyafana thina sima-city boss. Bola moya wami, ungayithwali basaline bebafethu ningakhoda pheluku kezinkomo ngamanzi nensipho nikobi basaline bazolithatha balibeke ubancishe balithenge uzolimala enhlizweni mababuya balithathe njenge vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza vali inkomo mabhebeza wemntana abantu ukafika usathane egcoka amakhabela ney'ngubo zakudala athi thula untombazane nawe ubambulayi ngisaba ukuhleka ntombazane ngingakufake mayi mina ngiphume empumalanga ligama lami
So I do have a few comments here on YouTube, back on YouTube right now. Ribona says, I'm jealous of the people who have already funded for the 9 to 5 next week. Yeah. Bro, you're trading gold. I'm confused. I'm new. This is not gold, bro. This is step index. This is step index. It's a synthetic index. You know, these are the type of markets that don't close over the weekend. So yeah. But bro, if you're confused, we need more clarity, send me a WhatsApp text. You can see my number here on the screen. I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna take you through step by step.
Separate them boys from the men, say kunyathela amabhola. Ngithama nimabhada but you still don't call me God.
For how long can we push this? I'm just eager to know that. I'm just eager to find out. But yeah, we are here for as long as we can be here. There's not any other place would rather be instead of being in the office and just looking into the charts and just live trading and just connecting with people all over the world, people that I don't even know, you know. It is the best thing to ever happen. Step index is looking like it is finally giving us what we want, respectively, of course. And remember, we also do have a trade on remember, look at me, I wanted to say NQ. I love NQ. We do have a trade on volatility 75 index, right? 75 index, we do have a trade there. And looks like both these trades are actually coming all right. Both these trades seem to me that they're actually coming all right. But I just need more from it. I just need more.
Lento yakho yokungiphotoloza njalo makangekho umntanami mina ngiseyona nensizwa ngisidlela imali yecolo mntanami uzothini mebekuthola besithola usungidonsa ngejazi mntanami yangithinta kamnandi yangininga ngophisi yavele yangithatha nensizwa yakithi makoti
Guys, if you are watching the live stream, please do me a favor, hit the like button, and obviously do hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Do turn on notifications so that when I go live, you're gonna get a notification that we are live, and you don't get to miss out on any upcoming live stream. Especially for the 9 to 5, I have a lot prepared for you guys, so do make sure that you do not miss that one. So, but right now we have 34 people watching and we have 27 likes, which is a few likes away from matching the number of the view. So if you are watching the stream, please like the stream. That's the least you can do for me. Like. Because when you like the stream, you are basically telling YouTube that this is right content that people can consume, and in that way we easily get the stream to move. So yeah, let's do the most. Let's like it. Alternatively, you can just obviously like it like this. There's, after hitting the normal like button, there's also this one right here. You just come here, you click this one. This one is actually unlimited likes that you can give us, or you can just send to the channel. So here's what you can do. Let's move the stream. Let's move the numbers of the stream. Let's have more people actually joining us. Let's have more people actually, you know, trading with us and benefiting from the live streams, because that's what we want. People benefiting from the live stream. What is your TikTok account? On TikTok, I'm pretty much using the same name. But I want you to like here. The people on TikTok, they don't play, bro. People on TikTok, they like the stream, because I'm having about, on TikTok I have about less than 1,000 followers, but I can have 5,000 people watching me live. So TikTok is very different. It's very different, guys. But yeah, nonetheless, we do have this trade is actually moving in the right direction. That's actually good. That's actually good. Vix75, guys, is buying. So my warriors who are waiting for Vix75, or who entered using the 5-minute time frame, that actually should be eating right now. You should be eating. But yeah, step index. I don't know who took this trade with me, but if you took the trade with me on step index, let me know in the comment section down below that you took the trade on step index. If you took it, just let me know that I took the trade. Right, this is such a beautiful move that we are noticing on Step Index. So beautiful, pretty much what we've been waiting for the entire time, and it is finally happening. It is finally happening. Let me go live on TikTok again and give them an update.
Sama teman-teman. Uchwala bekulata kanti wena wakhula njani usuphapha zulata kanti wena wakhula njani uchwala bekulata kanti wena wakhula njani usuphapha zulata kanti wena wakhula njani. Kanti twana byakuhlulata uloku yesifaka ngiyakusuzata kanti wena wakhula njani khona la ngithinta khona ntombazane usuku ngithinta la ngigama khona kathi unenkinga nami ntombazane namhlanje ulalela ngilala khona kodwa nje khona la ngithinta khona ntombazane usuku ngithinta la ngigama khona ngibona kathi unenkinga nami ntombazane namhlanje ulalela ngilala khona kodwa nje
Black eye on the fur.
Yeah, yeah. Ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi nginomfazi mina usosixabanisa ntombi picture Mamela, ukholo makhwapheni usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba mamela kapekela mabhebe angena u-17 sofana njalo noma ngise-17 sojambisela imedi what the hell is this mina ngidlala ama-games for pipinde please into yenza asange savumelana nga ayibo makhwapheni ungenza ngatshela umadlamini ukuthi wena ungumngani makhwapheni ungenza wayiwenza kanje anibalanzi banu bakufana nawe ngikhuzile before and you did it again izingane zingabona zizotshela umedem into yenza asange savumelana nga ayibo makhwapheni ungenza ngatshela umadlamini ukuthi wena ungumngani makhwapheni ungenza now what else do you need cause I give you love and I give you money manje bobi skirikiri sakho ngizokunaka ke ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi nginomfazi mina usosixabanisa ntombi picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi ukholo makhwapheni usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba ntombi nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi picture kazi bambe mfundo zibamba manje usufona ungivusa ngilele mabheba ngithi uyazi ngitshola ngeplay usufuna umadlamina ngistoka ngisele uhluleka ukuzibamba ziphathe pretend wayiwenza kanje anibalanzi banu bakufana nawe ngikhuzile before and you did it again izingane zingabona zizotshela umedem ungayenzi kanje makele ngiyakuthanda na uyakhe yawuna nhlonipho sophula phakami kawunokuyangena manje usufona ungivusa ngilele mabheba ngithi uyazi ngitshola ngeplay usufuna umadlamina ngistoka ngisele uhluleka ukuzibamba ziphathe pretend now what else do you need cause I give you love and I give you money Manje bobe skirikiri sakho ngizokunaka ke ukholo ntombazana usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje pita kazi bambe fundu zibamba ntombi nginomfazi mina uzosixabanisa ntombi pita kazi bambe fundu zibamba ntombi ukholo makwapeni usakhumbula ngithi savumelana lento yethu soshayela phansi manje pita kazi bambe fundu zibamba ntombi nginabantwana mina nginomfazi mina ntombi picture kazi bambe fundu zibamba ntombi
kunzima ukubona umuntu othwele because umuntu othwele uyafana nomfundisi okhohlisayo esontweni athi ningayisebenzisa imithi abe ahamba gogo bathini abe ahamba khehlekelezi inkulu yabona masikhuluma ngama-boys inkulu sikhuluma ngabantu abaphethe ubhojaboja sikhuluma senjendalo amaqumbi aquleke njenge-rice yabona
bana basikole babona imihlolo babona isibhoko ngakayeyaloya bembuza wathakoti langalingashona sibona into engabonwa engithi thutha mthakathi sizokushisa mthakathi engithi thutha mthakathi thatha konke kwakho sizokushisa mthakathi
The witch is after my soul, just don't let me get in my zone. I got dreams, you know I got goals, and I'm only playing if we're talking roles. I won't let you shoot my dreams down. You can feel that shit in this sound. We won't tolerate this shit in this town. Get my crown here, it's just as it sounds. I ain't being wonderful for no human, so it ain't nothing like what you assuming. Whether supernatural, superhuman, or super stupid motherfucker, you know I'll be doing. Keep your hands to yourself, and don't ever think on my wealth. I can have you hating myself, and your heart supporting my wealth. Who let the wedge out? First guy, let me reach out. He been lurking in evil, keep your hands on the sweevel. He been murking, doing shit that's pretty much lethal. Don't let a rat smith catch your ass out. Never met a motherfucker that can match your ass out. I'm him, I'ma tell your ass now, I'll win. You'll never succeed, you gon' pay for your sins. I dare you to cross my path, you gon' feel my wrath. You can harm my flash, that's cool, but you gonna rip the soul of a good man down. Get a good man down, they gon' get right up. I'ma get right up, I'ma take your ass down, I'ma let it slut up. Don't get a young nigga tried up, I'ma take your ass down, I'ma take a flight up. Cop me new, but I live your ass straight up. Like
I'll get you too tired.
Okay, I'm in this. Bizondaba nabo fagas. I know they don't want it, but they kayaks or kagas. I need myself a bag. I can hold 10 million cash. You can fuck with my pet, but you gon' feel the wrath. I need myself a Bentley. I need my face on telly. I need me a yellow Betty. Ooh, trust me, I was tryna get it. I really had no nothing. I'm from deep inside the country. I need bright lights on my wrist. I'm trying to shine bright in this bitch, and I ain't worried about no bitch. That's why I look up and I ask for cheap. All my life I've been trying to beat my peace. Now the money is the only thing I for keeps. Only my meaning I show me, yeah. Cause next year we'll be poppy.
Bana basikole babona imihlolo babona isibhoko ngakayeyaloya bembuza wathakoti langalingashona sibona into engabonwa engithi thutha mthakathi sizokushisa mthakathi I'll get you too tired. Tata konke kwakho sizokushisa mthakathi
On Tatilo on YouTube is asking me
yamemeza inkunzi emnyama esogozi ngaqhaza
which
into
platform do I use
yimi
to
njalo
pay
wathi
for
ngunomqangi nomgcinga mgqomu
The link
mgqozi
is in
enkunzi
the
amazinya
description of the
qongo
live
xoma
stream.
ngaxamaleza ngiphambanisa umlenze
Robin
usuhlakaniphe
Derek,
emadodeni
you can find the link to
ngavula
the program.
wangena ngavala ngabe ngasengaliphosa igwinya emafutheni makufika mina kuba ncane unyawo enhlizweni ashela temeti
If you're
man
not sure about the account size, the account type, you literally just send me a DM or you send me a WhatsApp text and I'll help you with regards to that completely.
I wave up
TJ is asking me, what are you trading, bro? I am trading Step Index 100. You gotta always ask him what is the minimum deposit. The minimum deposit is $5. This trade might actually take longer than we thought, but what matters is us obviously getting into trade and move for as long as we possibly can. And if you feel like you've made enough, if that point comes, if you feel like you want to lock profits, whatever you decide to do, just do it, you know, without thinking that there's something wrong that you're doing or whatever. But yeah, we pretty much gonna wait here for some time. But this stream is gonna end by 10 because on YouTube it started streaming at 7. So that is why it is severely important for you to actually join us on YouTube, because there you get the overall thing as I analyze and I explain why am I taking the trade, what is the influence behind it, and you get to see that, and you see it in real time. So the feeling is quite different, and that is why we say, you know what, just join the stream. Was this person? We don't want scammers in the chat. We don't want people telling people to join what thoughts and whatnot. Someone gonna block this person. I don't even know you, bro. Block that out of the stream. We don't want that. Because that's what we're running away from. We have opened these live streams so that the person who doesn't really believe in trading, the person who's still struggling to trade, the person who doesn't have money to buy signals and whatever, can come and trade with us live completely free. So you can come to the comment section and tell people that you have groups that you want them to join. That is actually completely out of line. But it only happens on TikTok though. You don't see this on the tube. People that actually come on YouTube, they mainly there because they want to trade. Someone on YouTube actually just dropped a comment. Hopefully money can still be made. I had problems opening my account. As I saw this live, I just deposited. Oh, that's actually good. Wonder what problems did you actually come across as you were opening your trading account? I guess it's the Vix trading account, by the way. I would like to know. I would definitely like to know what are the problems that you've actually encountered as you were opening your trading account, your synthetic trading account. And also just join now. We also do have a trade that we are pretty much waiting for. We've been paying close attention to. That is Vix75 index. So I'm gonna quickly check on that one so that you know that we have options. We do have options. If you just join the stream, the second option, or you can pretty much take them both. You do not, it's not like it's a must to actually focus on one. What you have to focus on here, we need a 5-minute candle to close above the price of, let me actually give you guys the right price. We need a 15-minute candle to close above the price of 50,256. That is Vix75 index. And once we get that candle closure on the 5 minutes above, we are also going to participate on this trade. Pretty much. But for as long as it is playing here, it is most likely to consolidate for as long as it wants. So we are not going to pay much attention to it. We're just going to let it be. Just like that. I'm just going to let it be. Because what I want is to finally have a candle closing above, and me taking that buy. Sorry about that, and me taking that buy on volatility 75 index. So that's just another one to look into. Also, that we don't forget we are on a trade on step index. So I'm continuously gonna do this thing so that the guys that are just joining us for the first time, they see what we're up to. You can see what is actually up to. Yeah, and let's listen to music as we wait for our setups to either hit our SL or hit our take profit. As long as we place our trades, there's pretty much nothing to worry about. Lately to nothing, lately to close, nothing to worry about, because it's not like you can change the outcome. You know.
Damang panik balabat Batim chaka chagu nice Njenge chaka lap Namasala ngi-acha Lesanik bababa Dababayang banga Gimnanzi lezi ninkalakat Angifuni fame angifuni stress Angivisiseki yefuteka mpuring cast Mpuka mabiya sathenga kaduring next Suka maphepha sa rapper Ngipuka stage Nuka ngendlela success Say reverse Bengakhulumeka besingeda basala ke-dash Eksene buka lana mfana wami Le impumalanga liqutshwa lana langa lami Excess iliphula nabo jakadazi Ngiphume egcwala istrati nabo mzala ngiphethe tshwala bami Eksenwe igroka le designer yakho Lokhu msoka kuthi ingondo kumele ibade tikhale Kumele ngibali imali kwadibani ngiphansela ifem yami Ehleva singengisane kubaru lokuphezana Ey, sengilidladla ngisafani nani Angisahambi netsayi-tsayi La ngithola khona ngihlezi ngibala imali ngiphethe squad sami C5 isigcwala i-quantum ye-out yami Nami ngilihasela check i-outcome Tough nami bafana bafuna kususa irawu-rawu Nami ngicela dama ngivane kubalaba Bathi black ukhula mnanzi njengasifisa unqwa Yonke internet igcwele amapiano Mine lapho ngivulela kwala kudala yuva njaka-jaka Dime belibheri Mina ngiyathi nkena grandi Dama makuzodliwa ikheza chips ileyabheri Bell nentshiza la i-register Kusemantwana sikho lapho sihlane ekutheni mangifuna ngani-body bag Ngoba i-body bag isane kufika ngemaplastic aseteki Ithana utshele ukuthi sneaker kanti trap Cabanga i-body bag ima ingafika nabo kabza bongatshela ukuthi solo mapiano kanti trap Khona batholakale necorona eCanada bafike kanjani Sale senekela kunini inkokota ngicine ngakeva kule body bag isiphume kanjani Khona laba ngithi ngishaya ngimoya ngithathe flight bathi umngamo ushaya iphathi ngangalala ishini Ngiphume posa feeling lati ukuthi lekushisa gogo lomtsala ngabe sekaqala bu-scientist Nami ngilihasela check i-outcome Bafana bafuna ukususa irawu Magama lamaningi ngiwakremile cabanga ukuthi before ngilala itola ingqondo yami update
bafana bafuna ukususirawu bafana bafuna ukususirawu Let me speak to boss. Turn it up a little bit. Yeah. Ngisaphila mntaka mama kukhululu banjolu samatata bebethi ramaphosa masfall ndabethi bebethi sicelo masinyamalala kulwa nami kufana nento fike kandlu hlambalati ngamalala kulwa nami kufana nekufike parlamentu hlambalati ngamalala Came a long way from the old days. Post a villa, put the Cassie on the map, nigga, always. I've been mind, I got a lot of situations going on. What you say, what you putting on the next game? When a body back, I make sure your whole body go to X-ray. You can never say a word in a snake space. Rappers brag when the neck has a fake chain. I can maintain. Bazoli tat, bali bag, ubangish, bali tag, uzoli man, enhlizweni, mababuya bali tat njenge, vali nkomo mapebez, vali nkomo mapebez, vali nkomo mapebez, vali nkomo mapebez. Ngithi sorry man, yellow phone, ngicela inamba telephone. Phume Mpumalanga ligama lami ngingusicela ngikho. Ngithinte lapho ngifila khona, khombe lapho uhlala khona. Kusasa makuthi kuyasangivuka nawe lapho ngilele khona. Ngivele nginamathele emtimbeni wakho njengesilicone. Noma ushintshe indawo kuyafana thina siba-city boss. Bola moya wami, ungayithwala ipati. Ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho. Nigoba ivaseline, bebafethu ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho. Nigoba ivaseline. Bazolithatha balibeke, ubancishe balithenge, uzolimala enhlizweni, mababuya balithatha njenge vali nkomo mapebeza, vali nkomo mapebeza, vali nkomo mapebeza, vali nkomo mapebeza. Wemntana ban ukafika usathana egcoka amakhabela ney'ngubo zakudala. Athi dudu ntombazane nawe ubambulayi, ngisaba ukuhleka ntombazane ngingakufake mayi. Mina ngiphume Mpumalanga ligama lami ngingusicela ngikho. Noma ushintshe indawo kuyafana thina siba-city boss. Bola moya wami, ungayithwala ipati. Ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho. Nigoba ivaseline, bebafethu ningakhohlwa phela ukugeza inkomo ngamanzi nensipho. Nigoba ivaseline.
My mic on YouTube. So someone asked about Bitcoin, guys. So we are gonna analyze Bitcoin and give our honest 2 cents about Bitcoin, and that would just be that. So, but first of all, there's a trade that we're waiting for confirmation on, and it's on for that Vix75 index. So what I am pretty much waiting for, it seems like sooner or later it's gonna happen, but what we are waiting for is just the full body candle to close above this price here, the price of 50,256. And once we do have that candle closure above, we are gonna buy Vix75. But right now, let's go to cryptocurrencies, because we do have an inquiry for cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, the well-known one. So this is the 15-minute time frame for me. I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour just to check market structure. How is everything looking like? And since, okay, cool, I see since Friday, which was yesterday, we've been trapped on a bit of a consolidation, but if anything, I do see that we are heavily bearish. So what we do see, you know, those small pushbacks is just markets, you know, just correcting and then eventually it gives us that movement. And if you can pay attention to Bitcoin, you know, after each and every consolidation, we're just gonna get this sharp market movement, moving all the way to the lower part of the market. As you can see that, you know, it struggles to push up, but when it's time for it to actually crash, it just happens, and it just happens so easy. And if you can just pay attention to, you know, the behavior of it, it's pretty much simple how you can actually get it by the looks of things. You know, I don't even have to use my strategy QLT concept. I'm just gonna use like simple price action analysis. As we do get like a rejection or markets, you know, trying to correct before we can have an impulse, it leaves a bit of a high behind, and from that high you just have to mark it from the body and the full wick itself and just wait. As you can see, we did have a push down, and now market corrected, and then we could obviously easily catch the next crash and move with it to the downside. So now once that gets validated, or once that happens, once as time goes on, we're gonna get another high that markets are gonna present for us. So what we're gonna do, we are pretty much applying the same principle. We're just gonna mark it. It's just like a market flow that is left behind, and as markets come back to tap into that obviously market flow that it printed for us, it will just, you know, give us another crash. So that is something that you can obviously use, and this is based off the 1 hour time frame. And again, we do have another one right here, of which later came, but not so good looking. I would want markets to give me this bit of a correction, and then eventually just respect the previously printed high that markets gave me, and I would just get into it. For an example, looking into this, I would anticipate another crash, but because there is something that was left behind, that was, you know, never taken into consideration. Markets really never took into consideration the previous correction that was printed here. So where Bitcoin is standing right now can be a bit tricky, but it's not something that we obviously are scared of, because we just trade based on facts, and we just, you know, just look into the markets as a whole, and we just do facts. So facts, we did try, I'm not gonna lie, gold did try at this point in time. It did try to obviously, you know, Bitcoin did try to come here, tap in so it can push down, but it is kind of failing. So the safe one, never touched before, it's gonna be this one. So we can pretty much, you know, the most safest trade, depending on the previous market behavior on Bitcoin. I'm just gonna wait for Bitcoin to go tap in there, and once it taps in there, I am obviously going to take the sell trade on Bitcoin. As easy as that, you know, something like this. So now what does this mean? Because I do know for a fact that we also do have people that are actually new into trading, and they can actually get trapped into this. So me saying that I am obviously waiting for markets to come tap in here so that I can sell doesn't give me the right, or doesn't permit me to buy it just because I believe it has to come here and I have to sell it. Yes, eventually it will go there, but I do not know how long it will take to get there and what it takes for the markets to get there. It could be a crazy encounter. Markets can further push down before they can push up. It doesn't matter. What matters to me is that I am waiting for it to obviously tap here. Give me that tap, and then I'm gonna sell you, because I know you are gonna crash. So I don't know if again, who requested, that was Mbali, aspiring CA. She's the one that actually inquired about Bitcoin. So if you're still watching, do let me know if the focus that I did actually makes sense, and if you are satisfied from that, or there's something else that you need clarity on. Prince says, Mr. QLT himself, what's happening, my brother? Bro, Prince, you are actually watching me on YouTube and watching me on TikTok at the very same time. That's crazy, bro. Appreciate you, though. I appreciate you. I do appreciate you. Yes, sir. This is Bitcoin. Someone says gold, please. Yeah, most definitely we can look into gold, but it's a thing of it is not moving right now. So a part of me feels like we're just gonna be wasting our time looking into gold. But if anything, I can assure you that we trade gold from Monday to Friday every day. We trade Nasdaq, we trade German 30, all the things that you can think of, and it's completely free on the YouTube channel. And we trade from 9 to 5. It's called 9 to 5. The program is called 9 to 5. So if you pull up any day, you're going to be part of the streams. But if you want me to send you the link exclusively every day, that is also possible. You just send me a WhatsApp text just right here. The number is on the screen. And when we go live, make sure that we sort you out. We send you a link. It is just that simple. So this is Bitcoin. We can see all the crashes that Bitcoin is actually showing us. And yeah, so we're just going to base the trade on off-market behavior. It's just market behavior. You know, there's pretty much nothing solid, nothing serious to it. And you don't have to complicate it as well. Simplicity is the best sophistication. That's what I believe in. That is what I believe in. So volatility 75 again, just to check what's happening, because we are about to have a new candle coming on the 15-minute time frame, and that should be happening in the next 3 minutes. Mapantula is saying, what is your name on YouTube? Just so you know, I'm using the same username. It's alphaamaale on YouTube as well. Just make sure that you include the double A's, because that matters as well. Otherwise, you're probably going to find another channel. But if you still can't find me by yourself, you send me a WhatsApp text and I'm going to send you the link, or you send me a DM, I'm going to send you the link to the channel. Yeah, it is as simple as that. Vix75, again, in the next 3 minutes, hopefully, we are going to get this candle to close above and close bullish so that we can take the buy trade on Vix75. But if that doesn't happen, that means we are still not having a confirmation. So no confirmation, no trade, because I do believe that not every trade is our trade. But once we obviously get a trade that resonates with the strategy, and we do have all the confluences in place for us, and it's all actually agreeing with one thing, then we are going to take the trade. It is just as simple as that. We do not complicate it over here. We just keep it simple. So the sooner you join the live streams on YouTube, the better you are going to understand that, oh, cool, this is how we do it. And we're just so calm about it. Destiny is asking, which broker do you use that has synthetic indices? Obviously, the originator of synthetic indices. Synthetic indices came with Deriv. So if you want synthetic indices that are actually regulated, this is the right place. It's Deriv. It's Deriv. You know, hit me up on my WhatsApp using this number. Can help you with the account type that I use, the leverage, and everything that I use on my specific account, and the reasons behind me having those choices. So you're looking into those choices, you should be able to make your own decision what you want to do with that information. But yeah, nonetheless, V75 for me does look like it finally wants to give me that confirmation, because we are pretty much about 10 seconds before we have a new candlestick to actually form on the 15-minute time frame on V75. And once I obviously do get that, I am going to place a buy trade on V75 as well, and I'm going to let it be, Cool, that's it. New candle just popped in. So I'm taking a buy trade on volatility 75 index. Pretty much been waiting for this for a couple right now. So I'm gonna try and adjust my SL and TP according. This is the take profit, the right one, the correct one. And at the bottom, this is where you are gonna see your stop loss right there. Good. So if you want to see these numbers more clearly, you tap in on the YouTube. You are gonna tap in on the YouTube. But yeah, this is it on V75. Let me also check. We do have step index, but on step index we are already on the trade. So yeah, step index, even though it is still a bit indecisive, but we are not changing. We are locked into the same idea, and that doesn't change. As long as we have SL and TP in place, and we are good to go. By the way, this stream has been running since 7 on YouTube, since 7 p.m. So that's why I'm so big on telling you guys to actually come on YouTube, because there you get the full thing, you get the full source. Okay, do have a few comments on YouTube. Should be attending. It's not actually hectic. It's just inquiries. What is the link I use to trade, to analyze for trading for synthetic indices? It's cool, bro. I'm gonna send the overall link to you on WhatsApp. I do have your numbers, right? I do have your numbers. Akosimoto says, how's it, bro? I like the analysis on V75. Nah, shout out. Thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What else? What else? Someone is asking which pair is this one. This is a question from TikTok. This is step index 100. Step index 100. Yeah. Shout out to Gwazi. Gwazi just shared the live stream. The rest says you should accommodate us as TikTokers when you go live. Yeah, eventually that's where we actually headed to. Where we should be able to, at least connect the stream and do like multiple streams. Someone asked, do you go live on TikTok? Only on TikTok? No. The actual stream is on YouTube. This is the actual stream. This is, the back end. But we are streaming live on YouTube. So this is what you're probably going to see if you watch from YouTube. You're going to see it like this. So that's why I encourage you guys to actually tap in on YouTube instead, so you can get the full source. So yeah. Remember, if you just joined the stream, we are also on V75. You can see here, volatility 75, we just took the trade on volatility 75 as well. So it's actually coming all right. Okay, I think you'll definitely tap in. Yeah, definitely you have to tap in. Look, Babalo is asking, when are you going live on YouTube? I'm actually live on YouTube right now. The stream is actually a YouTube live stream. I'm just, also making sure that I cater for my TikTok audience, but the original streams is actually from YouTube. That's where the original stream is actually at. But yeah, nonetheless, guys, I'm most likely to close my streams at 10. We've been streaming since 7, so yeah, that should do the trick. That should be enough for the day. That should be enough for the day. Yeah, but nonetheless, these are the trades that we have, guys, respectively. I'm gonna get some music rolling, and as we watch these setups do whatever they want to do, how they play out, we just have to be patient. As long as we have our SLMTP in place, then we should be good to go.
I'm trying to shine bright in this bitch, and I ain't worried about no bitch. That's why I look up and I ask for cheap. All my life I've been trying to beat my peace. Now the money is the only thing I for keeps. Only I'm betting I show me, yeah. Cause next year we'll be poppy.
Bana basikole baboni mitolo baboni sipoko ngakae aloya. Bembuza watakoti langalinga shona sponi tenga bono. Engiti tu tamtagati yeah. Sizogushi samtagati yeah. I'll get you to
Yamemeza inkunzi emnyama sogozi ungaqhela zonke intombi yimi njalo wathi ngunomqangi nomqinga mgomqonze egonsa amazinya xonga ngicoma ngaqamalaza ngiphambanisa umlenze sokuhlanipha emadodeni ngavula wangena ngavala ngabe ngasengaliphosa igwinye emafutheni makufika mina kuba lincane unyawo enkizweni ashela dameti man.
Aweba pem imalingeni akuvele kubuya itext lam ngilithwalisa ingane awesensizwa lo muntu uyadripa bathi ngendongeni bakhumbuza ushakazu namhlanje kusaphela ingwabela yaphela ingwabela swenka nge-omega yaphela ingwabela igqoka itesi namadayisi ngingwabela yaphela ingwabela nikumbuza kudala lakmina kudalela igqoka itesi namadayisi ngingwabela.
Awubheka isosi yatripa kule gitara
bayakhala ngale ndongo
ingane yithi abafana bengwabela
ingabe swenga ngamatayi isigodi sisiphethe lempemi ke mamela intombi zigcwalisa ibhasi we take it back kuzaphila amalegend ngisho abopenda fast take a look ngithi kavala amajezi ngapha nangapha amadayisi
aweba pem imalingeni akuvele kubuya itext lam ngilithwalisa ingane awesensizwa lo muntu uyadripa bathi ngendongeni bakhumbuza ushakazu namhlanje kusaphela ingwabela yaphela ingwabela swenka nge-omega yaphela ingwabela igqoka itesi namadayisi ngingwabela yaphela ingwabela nikumbuza kudala lakmina kudalela.
Just a quick dive into the YouTube comments. Bro, are you live for deriv analysis on Sundays? Yes, we are going to be live tomorrow. We are going to be live tomorrow. Umkolisi is asking what is your SL and TP on Vix75? Okay, cool. Let's quickly look into V75 so that we can obviously give Umkolisi the right SL and TP figures. The same ones that we are using before we can even go off we're gonna make sure that we put policy on with the SL and TP figures that we do have. So I'm just gonna bring it closer. What you're gonna do for me, you can take a screenshot because the live is about to end in the next 5 minutes. Guys, have been here for the past 3 hours, if I'm not mistaken. So these are the figures, the SL and the TP. These are the figures for volatility 75 index. These are the figures right here. These are the SL and TP figures. I hope you can see them. But that's it right there. Those are the ones. And let me also give you guys the SL and TP figures for step index. We also do have a trade on step index 100, right? We do have a trade on step index 100. So I'll just want to make sure that, you know, because we are as transparent as we get. So whatever trade we are in, we are constantly going to give you updates on that. You know, we are not ashamed of what we do, you know, whatever the outcome. That is why we are so brave to come and do it live, just to show people that we can actually do it live, that it actually happens. So this is my step index 100. The SL is right there. That is the SL. And then I do have a first target because this is a previous market low, of course. So yeah, things could get a bit shaky once we approach this level. But now for the guys that are actually stubborn, just like me, who say that, you know what, I don't care about a minor level, we are going to break through that and we're going to go to the lower part of the markets and I'm going to get my overall target, then this can be the overall target here. This can be like the overall take profit that you obviously look into for step index 100. Yep. Let me know if there's any other thing that you guys want me to give an update on about before we leave this stream. But if actually you're just joining us for the first time, whether you are on YouTube or you are on TikTok, if you are on TikTok, the best thing you could do is just give me a follow. If you are on YouTube, the best thing you could do is give me that subscribe, because you don't want to miss out on the next stream. And also, this number is something that you can keep. Those who text me on WhatsApp, I save the numbers, and when I go live, I send them the link personally. So that's something you can also do as well, just to make sure that you always tap in with the lives and you pretty much join every live stream that we do have.
check down ngvanek balabat bathi mchaka chaka nice njenge chakalak nginamasala ngiacha lesanik baba baba laba bayangibanga ngimnanzi hlezi nenkalakala angifuni fame angifuni stress angivisiseki yefutheka mpuring cast ngibhuka amabhiya sathenga kaduri next suka amaphepha rapper ngibhuka stage sinuka ngendlela success isayide reverse bengakhulumeka besingente basala ngedash eksena bhuka lana mfana wami le impuma langa liqushwalana langa lami excess liphula nabo jakadazi ngiphume egcwala istrati nabo umzala ngiphethe tshwala bami eksenwe roka le designer yakho lokhu mqoka ukuthi ingondo kumele ibade khande kumele ngibali imali kwatibani ngiphansela ifame yami ehleva sinengisani kubaru lokuphezana hey sengidlala ngisafanani angisahambi netsaitsayi la ngithola khona ngihlezi ngibali imali ngiphethe squad sami C5 isquad iquantum outcome nami ngilihasela check outcome tough nam bafana bafuna kususa iraw raw
nami ngicela tama ngivane kubalabala bathi black ukhula mnanzi njengasifiso ncwa yonke internet igcwele amapiyano mina lapho ngivulela kwala kudala yuva nchakacha time abelbere mina ngiyathi ngena grand time makuzodliwa ikeza chips ile abere bell cheese I register kusamantwana sikho lapho silane kuthani mangifuna ngani body bag ngoba body bag isane kufika ngema plastic ase take it on utshele ukuthi sneaker kanti trap cabanga body bag ima ingafika nabo kabza bongatshela ukuthi solo mapiyano kanti trap.
Okay guys, such a beautiful night of us meeting here, but this is where the stream ends. So if you literally joined us for the first time, thank you for checking us out. Be part of our WhatsApp. Make sure that you are part of our WhatsApp. So the link, WhatsApp numbers here. Or if you want to follow me on IG, this is how you can connect with me on Instagram. My Instagram is always here on this, is also here on the screen. So I'm about to go off right now. Hope you guys are gonna have a very responsible weekend. Take care of yourself. Love you guys so much, and we are gonna click on tomorrow's stream. Probably tomorrow I can bless you after church. I can bless you the whole day. Maybe after church I can bless you the whole day, guys. So yeah.